Welcome to Classroom Technology Information 101, a basic introduction to our technology-equipped classrooms. This course will cover the basic technology offered in technology-equipped classrooms on our Portland campus, including the use of the electronic door locks, an overview of the classroom podium, using the switcher for projector control, audio control, and source selection, setting up and turning on the document camera, and finally, a look at our interactive whiteboard made by Smart Technologies. First, we will start with the electronic door lock. Rooms equipped with an electronic door lock can be opened using your ID badge by swiping the card 2 to 4 inches in front of the reader. This will momentarily unlock the door for 5 seconds. To keep the door open for the duration of your class, you would swipe your ID badge in front of the reader and press star 4 pound. The light on the reader will turn green, indicating that the door will remain open. When you have completed your class, press star 20 pound to lock the door. The indicator light on the door will turn red to indicate that the door is locked. A card read is not necessary to use the star 20 pound command. Podium style will vary depending on classroom, but similar technologies are in use. Here we see a modern style podium, including the keyboard, mouse, and confidence monitor for the built-in computer, as well as the switcher, which is common to all podiums, located on the right side of your screen. Inside the modern podium, you will find a desktop PC built in, as well as the DVD VHS combo player. If the PC is not on, you may turn the PC on by pressing the power button on the front of the computer. If the DVD VHS combo player is not on, you may turn it on by pressing the power button, normally located on the front panel near the left-hand side. Not all podiums will contain a PC. On the side of our podiums, you'll find a door that will open to reveal a sliding drawer with a document camera on board. The document camera can be slid out for use and then slid back inside the podium for easy storage. Now we will look at the switcher. The switcher controls the display, the volume control, and the input that will be displayed on the projector. To turn on the projector, press the On button beneath the display label. The on light will flash, and then the off light will illuminate to indicate the current state of the projector. When the on light begins to blink, that indicates that a command is being sent to the projection equipment to turn on. After a brief time, you should see lights indicating that the projector is warming up and begin to see light illuminating from the lens on the projector. After the projector is turned on, the on light beneath the display label will turn to a solid illuminating light, indicating the state of the projector is on. To turn off the projector, press the Off button located below the display label. Again, after blinking, the on light will illuminate to display the current state of the projector. The off light will begin to blink to indicate that a command has been sent to the projection equipment, commanding it to turn off. You should see the light extinguish from the lens on the projector. In your room, there may be other lights on the projection equipment that turn amber or red, indicating that the projector is turning off and cooling down. This demonstration is being shown in real time. There is a long delay between the time that you press the off button and when the off indicator will stop blinking and indicate a solid off state. This is the cool down time required for the projection equipment to fully turn off and be ready for use again. You will not be able to hit the on button and turn the display back on until you see a solid indicator light on the off button. Adjusting the volume in the classroom is easy using the volume control knob on the switcher. The volume control knob can be turned left or counterclockwise to turn the volume all the way down. When you see the bottom light blinking, that means you have muted the audio. If you turn the knob to the right or full volume clockwise, you will see the red light on the top of the volume indicator illuminate to indicate you have reached maximum volume. You can turn the knob clockwise and counterclockwise to adjust the volume as desired. Selecting audio-video inputs for projection display, it's as simple as pressing the labeled button on the switcher. To utilize the DVD VHS combo player, press the DVD VCR button on the switcher. After a few brief moments, the projection equipment will change sources, and you will see the VCR DVD combo player displayed on the projector. To utilize the document camera, press the Doc Cam labeled input button. You must remember to turn on the power to the document camera when you pull it out of the tray on the side of the podium. You will not see any content on the projector from the document camera until it has warmed up and powered on. Press the Laptop Input button to activate the laptop input cable that is already connected to the right-hand portion of the switcher. This cable should be found on the podium and includes both a VGA video input and an 1/8" headphone-style audio input cable. It may already be connected to a laptop present on the podium. If this is the case, disconnect the cables from the present laptop and connect them to your own laptop for use. Some classrooms with a built-in computer in the podium will have a PC input. Selecting the PC input will display this computer on the projection equipment. This is most commonly found in rooms with an interactive whiteboard that is already connected to the PC built into the podium. Most of our podiums are equipped with a document camera, located inside and revealed by opening the panel on the right side of the podium. Slide out the tray, and then extend the camera unit and lighting unit into position to suit your needs. You can use 2-dimensional documents and 3-dimensional items on this unit. The on-off switch is located in the upper right-hand corner, and briefly after being turned on, you will hear some activity from the lens and the lighting unit activate. You can adjust the image zoom with the dial and the focus by pressing the autofocus button in the middle of the dial. There is a light button to turn on and off the overhead light to best suit the object that you're using on the document camera. Turn off the unit by sliding the power button in the upper right in the off position, and then collapse the light and lens back down on top of the unit before sliding the tray back into the podium and closing the door for storage. We encourage you to find one of these units in any of our classrooms and familiarize yourself with the features before using them in a live presentation. Many of our classrooms are equipped with a Smart Technologies brand interactive whiteboard, also known as a smartboard. You'll notice the presence of a series of electronic pens and an eraser on the bottom of the board, along with the Smartboard label in the upper left-hand corner. Please check our knowledge base or check with the Technology Help Desk for information on how to utilize the interactive whiteboard in these classrooms. We certainly encourage you to use this resource often. This concludes CTI 101, Basic Introduction to Classroom Technology. For additional information, consult our knowledge base at kb.cu-portland.edu. For assistance in the classroom, contact our Technology Help Desk by dialing extension 6300 from any campus phone, or you may visit us in Hagen 206. Please report any issues or problems with classrooms to our online support system by emailing support@cu-portland.edu. Thanks for joining us today.